Plan or approach to pruning. Pruning should follow a definite plan. Consider the reason or purpose before cutting begins. By making the pruning cuts in a certain order, the total number of cuts is reduced greatly. The skilled pruner first removes all dead, broken, diseased, or problem limbs by cutting them at the point of origin, or back to a strong branch or shoot. Often, removing this material opens a canopy sufficiently so that no further pruning is necessary. The next step in pruning is to make any training cuts needed. By cutting back branches, the tree or shrub is trained to develop a desired shape, to fill in an open area caused by storm or wind damage, or to keep it in bounds to fit a given area. To properly train a plant, one should understand its natural growth habit. Always avoid destroying the natural shape or growth habit when pruning unless maintaining a close watch over the plant. After a period of time, it attempts to assume the more natural growth habit. When to prune. Pruning can actually be done at any time of the year. However, recommended times vary with different plants. Pruning at the wrong time of the year does not kill plants, but continual, improper pruning results in damaged or weakened plants. Do not prune at the convenience of the pruner, but rather when it results in the least damage to the plant. There is little chance of damaging the plant if this rule is followed. In general, the best time to prune most plants is during late winter or early spring before growth begins. The least desirable time is immediately after new growth develops in the spring. A great amount of food stored in roots and stems is used in developing new growth. This food should be replaced by new foliage before it is removed. If not, considerable dwarfing of the plant may occur. This is a common problem encountered in pruning. It is also advisable to limit the amount of pruning done in late summer, as new growth may be encouraged on some plants. This growth may not have sufficient time to harden off before cold weather arrives, resulting in cold damage or winter kill. Prune plants damaged by storms or vandalism, or ones with dead limbs, as soon as possible to avoid additional insects and disease problems that may develop.